guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, at least for me it's Sunday. When you guys see this video, it'll be a Saturday, but normally on a Friday I usually do the things that I need to do for the weekend ahead of time. I didn't do that, so I gotta get the kids' school clothes out today. I gotta clean up. There's a few things that I gotta do, but before we go to church, I am gonna do some cleaning of the kitchen because we just had breakfast. So let's get to it. You're probably wondering, she's going to church, why is she wearing a t-shirt and some jeans? It's because every other Sunday I serve in the nursery. I get to hug up on some babies and just hold some babies while the parents go enjoy the service. And then on the second service, I get to go to church and enjoy the service. So usually on the days that I serve, I wear the church t-shirt for serving in the kids section. So usually on a day like that, I will go with more casual. I wear my jeans, I get on the floor, and I play with kids. On Sundays, my husband normally makes a big breakfast. I actually don't like cooking breakfast, guys. I don't mind cooking dinner or even lunch, but I really don't like fixing breakfast. But I do like to eat it though. But he cooks breakfast and I clean up the kitchen. But this morning he made bacon, and after a while, even though I love the smell of bacon before I eat it, once we eat it, I don't want to smell it anymore. Here I will be diffusing some essential oils since I can't burn the candle since we will be leaving the house. I'd rather diffuse some essential oils. So right here I'll be using the Zen from the Revive website.
Calling you up at 2 in the morning, but you don't wanna talk, you don't wanna bother. Yeah, so I took another shot, let my brain do the walking. I don't wanna be your friend, I want something real. Maybe if I stay the night, you could feel the same. And maybe if you treat me right, we could rearrange. But I'm not even gonna try if you don't wanna stay. So how's it gonna be? You got me on my knees. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe, ain't nobody touch me like you can. I just need some closure, a little closure from you. Tear me apart when I know you don't want me, 'cause I've been going fast and you wanna go slowly. Maybe I'm just...
Here I will be putting some meatballs in the slow cooker in the evening. My family and I go to small groups and it starts today. So the meatballs is literally super easy for me to make. The only thing I gotta do is add a 3-pound bag of meatballs into the slow cooker, 2 jars of 24 ounces of chili sauce, and 1 cup of grape jelly. And for me, you don't have to do this, but I add a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Guys, do not ask me how to properly say. That's one word I cannot say. Is it Worcestershire or Worcestershire? Comment down below and tell me how you pronounce yours.
I just need some closure, a little closure. I don't need no roses on my bed. If I could pull you closer to me, babe,
thing I had to do is pick up the living room the night before my husband actually shampooed the carpet. We try to stay on top of that because I don't know what it is about dirty carpets. I just do not like it. And the reason my wreath is actually in the living room was because we had a tornado. We had a storm. It felt like a hurricane, honestly. And luckily my husband saw my wreath and it was down the road, y'all. He found my wreath, so it was time for me to put it back up. I always try to make the bed before I leave the house. It just feels better that way. But the day before, we pretty much laid in the bed the whole time and we were just watching Netflix, so the bed was unmade. And I could tell a big difference, guys, because the sheets were literally, one side had more than the other. It was all wrinkly and stuff, so I actually prefer to make the bed.
I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no. I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you.
And obviously my daughter is ready for church, ain't you, girl?
Yes.
You taking the glasses as well?
Yes.
You know it's a cloudy day. You taking the glasses anyway?
Yeah.
Okay, well, all right. Okay, y'all, now I am back. I'm getting ready to pick out school clothes. I'm gonna have the kids pick out their school clothes. I feel like I'm so behind because normally I do this on a Friday, but when I miss like my routine, I feel like everything else is out of place.
We need long sleeve shirts. Do you want to wear this? Destiny?
This means touch it. Go for it. Jump, run, play, cheer, dance, begin.
All right. You can
Hurry,
do this.
touch it. What about? Hold on. What do you Mommy. Got Minnie Mouse. I can't.
Desi, don't touch me. None of the clothes back there because that's more summer spring clothes. Okay, girlfriend, what are we doing?
I was touching the clothes back here.
Destiny, Sierra, what are you up to? All right.
Oh, somewhere over here. What about?
This?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me see what kind of pants I can wear for those. You wear these.
Yes, ma'am.
They match.
So casual.
They're looking those. I call these the Elsa
So
colors.
concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder, you know. Sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. just a better kind of bitter, bitter.
I will be giving the kids' bathroom a good wipe down the next day. Normally I do my whole house cleaning on a Monday because right after I don't do anything on the weekend. So when Monday comes back up, I get the house back straight. But I'm going to be out of the house tomorrow. The kids have a math, well, the boys have a math competition. So I just want to make sure that their bathroom was clean.
Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Harder keeps the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter, 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 Think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Ooh, think about the stuff we play. How I'd rather do that instead. I keep screaming out loud from the top of my lungs, baby. Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what
So one of my children actually spilled some kind of juice on the floor, and I was walking by and my socks were sticking to the floor. I guess they tried to clean it up, but it looks all smudged to the floor. I'm not gonna name any names because honestly I don't know who did it, but it's time for me to mop.
now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much farther. You're not rising. You're not rising. I'm a butterfly who has only begun. Taking me a while to get it. Had to live and cry to appreciate life, and what you give is worth it. When you're holding me, when you hold me so close, I want further in under your skin. Wanna leave a mark so that I can be sure that you remember what's been. I used to be satisfied.
So that will be all, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick cleaning motivation. If you have not subscribed to my channel already, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up because it helped my channel a ton. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.